Wow! You're welcome to another exciting moment with me. Today, I'm going to introduce to you our second level sounds of the Jolly Phonics. Okay? Can you say this? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. And this is. The sounds the same. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. As in cake. As in kites. Alright? Look at this. Egg. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Grab the egg like this. Egg. As in egg. As in egg. Now look at this. Let me tell you a short story. There was a rat on the floor, and the dog saw the rat and thought it was a meat. So he picked up the rat and started dragging it. See my puppy with the rat. See my puppy with the rat when he was so hard. As in ruler. As in ruler. Oh God, I'm tired. I like to up and down. I like to up all around. I like to up and down. As in hand. As in house. Alright. Okay? And this is Mr. Clitty ate the food and it says The mom and the dad make merry meals. The mom and the dad make merry meals for their hungry children. As in mommy. As in maths. As in maths. Alright. And this is the. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lot of fun with a the and a the. See me play upon my drum. As in dog. As in dog. As in dog. Okay, we're going to do formation of words using our first and second level sound. We're going to work with rhyming words to enable my cuties learn it faster. Look at this. Cats. Cats. Rats. Rats. Children, Maths. Science. Science. Parts. Parts. I hope you understand and can blend with me next time we meet again. Bye for now. But before we go, please ensure that you copy these words into your notebook that has been sent home. Thank you. Bye.